In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can resize a video in Capcut. Let's say you want to make it to be mobile format. Now, this is the original video I have, and if I play it, you can hear it's in desktop format. But if I want to change this to mobile format, let's say I want to upload this to my social media profile, what do I do? And by the way, please, if you hear the sound of a child, it's my son. He's nearby me making a lot of noise. So to change the image, the video resolution to mobile format, there is a little box down here. You can see where my mouse is, and it says ratio. I'll simply click on ratio, and then I'm going to come and choose, let's say, this 9:16 format, which is for Capcut. I'm going to click that, and you see it changes this video canvas to this size. And if I play this, I really don't like the way it shows. So I could change this and expand this video. What I could do is just to click and drag and open this so that it fills the canvas. And if I begin to play it from the beginning now I want this yacht, this boat, to be shown fully. So I'll click this and drag it to centralize this a little bit. And then I'll start again. And you can see it's now in mobile layout. Now, one thing you could do is that you could cut this video into different portions and then centralize each of them as you so desire. Let's say I could play it up to this point. I'll go back here, and then I could split this, then come to this part and then play. Here I could centralize this now. So that's how you can do it, and then you can just export your video. In a nutshell, that is how you resize your video. You could also resize it to other formats. You could also resize it to other formats. You can see this particular format 1x1, that's square, for Instagram and for Facebook. So please, if you got any value out of this video, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Peace.